How to change miles to kilometers in Life360 mobile app. So let's get started. After you open the app, click on driving, and here we can see miles per hour or miles. So how to change it? If you click on settings, you will find nothing because there is no option how to change it here. So what you need to do is go to your settings. I'm not able to cover all devices, so in this case I'm gonna use Android. This is Xiaomi phone, and what you need to do is just search languages. Type in languages, and you should have the search bar on every device, and then find languages and input. And now we can see we got English. Specifically we got English United States, and what we need to do here is to change it to English Australia. Why? Because these apps work with your language input, and if you have United States or United Kingdom, it will show you miles. If you change it to English Australia or maybe India, I didn't test it, but I tested Australia. If you change it like this, here we go. And then you just simply open your application again. And now if we go to driving, we can see kilometers. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have some questions, leave a comment. And thank you for watching, guys. See you later. Bye bye.